Can you leave Facebook Messenger group without notifying? Facebook Messenger does not allow you to leave a group chat without notifying others. When you leave, a system message like you left the group is shown to all members. However, here is a few workarounds to minimize attention or disengage the quietly. So let's get started. The first option you can do is mute the conversation. No notification sent. Instead of leaving, you can mute it. Open the group chat in Messenger, and all you have to do is slide it to the left hand side and tap on the more button available there, then select mute and choose a duration, like until I turn it back on. This stops notification and does not alert group members. Now, the second best way is to ignore the conversation. This hides the chat without notifying others. Slide it to the left hand side and tap on the three dot like you did before, or you can also long press on it. Then you'll get to see ignore, tap on the ignore. This chat will move to the archive section and won't show up in your inbox. You won't get messages unless you open it again, and no one will be notified. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.